Hi, my name is Sylvia, and I'm a caseworker at ALS. If for some reason you are no longer available for work and thus no longer qualify for unemployment benefits, you must report this to ALS on Vangin. Here's a demonstration of how to report change of status on Vangin on a personal computer. First, you have to log on to Vangin. If the chosen language on Vangin is Faroese, you can change this to English in the top right corner. The website should now be in English. Choose Service Providers in the top menu, and then choose ALS. On the left, you now have 3 self-services to choose from. Choose number 1, Announce Change Status. Tick the box I consent, and then choose Next. You now have to inform us how your status has changed. If you have found a job, if you have enrolled in an educational program, if you are on sick leave, if you are on parental leave, if you are taking a course, or if you are taking time off. If you, for example, have found a job, tick the box, and then inform us when you started your new job. Please then choose Next in the bottom right corner to see a summary of the information that you entered and to confirm that the information is correct. Check that the information is correct and tick the confirmation box at the bottom of the page and choose Submit. You have now reported your change of status. If you have any further questions regarding this, you are more than welcome to contact us.